Hey guys, so today I have a box that I've not had for a really long time to show you, and that is Coven. Now if you haven't seen me unbox Coven before, it is a UK box but they do ship it internationally as well, so I'll put all of the details that I do know in the description in case you want to go and check them out. But this box is £33.99 a month, and they also do 3, 6 and 12 month plans as well, which kind of work out a bit cheaper. If you get one of them this month or next month, you get one of the main items out of this box for free, which is amazing. So you've got to use the code LUNA for that. I will put that here now. And they do like different themes every month. So this one is a horror theme. I have opened it already and I actually love it. I think it's one of the best boxes I've had in a really long time. But some of the other themes that they've done is things with wings, so like bats and stuff, Night Stalker, Pentacles and Protection, stuff like that. So sometimes it's a bit witchy, sometimes it's a bit horror-y, sometimes it's kind of in the middle. And they also give £1 from every box to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation as well, which is really lovely. So we are going to open this and I'm going to show you what is in here. Like I said, I have opened it already, I couldn't wait, but I think you're going to really love this one. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It says Spooky for Life, joincoven.co.uk, and the May theme is in my horror era. So it says, thank you for your order, Luna, from Tom and Kelly, Coven. And the extra item added was an A5 horror pad, so I will show you that in a second. On the back of here it tells you all of the items that are in the box. We're just going to show you though. So this is my extra item that I got, and it's a little notepad like this. It says to slay today and then Coven at the bottom, and it's got like a blood splatter all over it. Hopefully you can see that. Very, very cute. I will definitely use that. I use these for like our food planning, kind of. Like I keep one in the kitchen and I put all of our meals on it that we can make, so that will be very handy. And then next we have some little stickers, some little blood stickers. So there is this one with little handprints, and then this single little handprint one as well. Very cute and creepy, so little stickers. Then we have lots of peanuts, so I'm just going to throw those on the floor because they are in my way. Then we have a pin. Love this, I think it's so cute. So this is a metal like enamel pin, and it says Final Girl. It is sparkly. I don't know if that's really showing up on camera, but this red is really sparkly in person. It's got a little handprint, drips off here in a heart, and it does have 2 pins on the back as well, so it won't spin around if you're wearing it. I think that is so, so cute. And then we have this, which I think is a little lanyard. Now I wear a lanyard to work for my like pass to beep into the door, and I'm not sure how impressed they're going to be with me wearing this, but I absolutely want to change my work lanyard to this one. This is so cool. A creepy little blood splatter, blood drip lanyard, and then it has a little clip at the end and also like a little one of these, like a little phone thing. I don't know what they're called, but I love this. I'm going to see if I can get away with putting this on my work one because I feel like that would look so cool. They're probably going to say no, but I'm going to try. So that is a little lanyard. Then next we have this, which again is so cute. I genuinely love everything in this box. This is a fluffy little pom-pom like bag charm. It has a red clip at the top to attach it, and then it's got a little blood splattered acrylic shiny knife on there as well. So, so cute. After this video I am 100% going clipping that onto one of my bags. I love it. So that is a little pom-pommy bag charm that we have. Actually, next, just remembered, the biggest item in this box, which I could clip it onto, we have a whole bag. So this is the item that if you use the code LUNA you get free with your 3, 6 or 12 month plan. This is adorable, honestly. Comes in a little dust bag and stuff, and I think that they had this made like just for them. It is a little heart bag and it says Scream Queen on it. It's got blood splatters, it's got blood drips. How adorable is that? So let me take all the foam and stuff off it. So we have a little handle here, and I think there is also a long strap inside. Yeah. Okay, so this is our longer strap. Honestly, I'm not even just saying this. I will genuinely use this. I feel like a lot of things that you get in subscription boxes, they're kind of cheesy, like the jewelry and stuff, you know, sometimes you don't really wear it, but this, I love this. So small little hand strap and then a long one as well. How amazing is that? Let me see if I can show you inside. I shouldn't have zipped it up. Let's take all this stuffing out. Yeah, so it's literally got their Coven logo inside. joincoven.co.uk. I think that's so cute. Let's stick this. I feel like this needs to go on here. I love it. You can't really see the little knife so much though. It kind of stays up at the top, so I might put like a bit of a chain on that so that it kind of hangs down more so you can see the little knife more. But oh my god, that is so cute, and it feels really well made as well. Like it's really sturdy and stuff, and you can fit a lot in there. So absolutely love that. And like I said, that is the free item that you get as well if you use the code Luna for your plans. So love that. But we still have so many things left. So next we have this. It says Bloodbath, and this is strawberry bath bomb powder. I need to smell it, honestly. Hopefully it doesn't go absolutely everywhere. Oh my gosh, that smells way better than I was expecting as well. Yeah, love that. I'm not a bath girl, but I will keep that in case I do have a bath sometime. Bloodbath, very cool. Then we have a little magnet, like a little fridge magnet, and it says horror movies are kinda my thing. So cute. It's like a little acrylic kind of magnet, and I think it's supposed to look like movies or books stacked up. Horror movies are kind of my thing. They are. This box is amazing. Next we have some little earrings. Now I don't actually have normal earring holes, and I would say this is probably my least favorite item in the box, but I know that loads of people are going to love these. This is just a personal preference. I am not into this kind of thing, but that is totally fine. These are little blood handprint earrings. So they have this kind of like earring hook, and they look like this. I think they have a protective cover on them to keep them from getting scratched, so they will be shinier when you peel that off. But yeah, still super cute though. I know that loads of people are going to love those. Just personally, I'm not an earring girl, but that is fine. So that is some little blood handprint earrings that we have. Then next we have a spoon. A big kind of gunmetal kind of coloured spoon, and it says serial killer. Hopefully you can see that with the light shining on it. So it says cereal up here, killer down here, and then it's got a hand holding a little knife there in the middle. So cool. I actually have a serial killer bowl, so this will go perfectly with that. It's stainless steel, it says on the back, and it's not just sort of printed on there, it's kind of like engraved in it as well, which is great. So really cool. Again, very useful item, a spoon. Then I think we have, oh no, we've got 3 things left. I was going to say we have 2 things left, but there's 3. So next we have a little patch, and it says horror movie addict. Again, very cute. It can be ironed on or sewn on, and it's like a fabric patch. And then we have a necklace. Now, in my younger days, this necklace would have been worn by me absolutely daily. I'm not sure if I'm now maybe a little bit too old for this, but I still really love it though. So you'll have to let me know if you think that I'm too old to wear this. but this necklace says Killer. It's like an acrylic cutout necklace and it's got blood splatters on it. So it's black on one side and then it's got the white with the blood splatter on it as well. So it's kind of got like a background and a black chain. Like I said, in my younger days, this would have been an everyday wear for me. I think this is so cool. I don't know. I don't know if it's just the emo in me that is saying that this is still fine to wear. Let's see. Let's put it on and have a look how crazy I look. Oh, if I look like I'm being too young or something, you know? What do we think? I'm not sure I can get away with it honestly at my age, but I love it so much though. Like I said, I'm gonna make this into a keyring, I think. I will probably clip it onto that bag. Let's see. Like if I took the chain off one side and then attached like a dangly keyring to this side on here, I think that looks really cute personally. We can attach it to the little pom-pom with the knife. I think that's probably what I will do with this. But again, that is just my personal preference. I think it's amazing. I love it. I'm just not sure I'm young enough to wear it these days. But maybe though, you'll have to let me know what you think. But that is the Killer necklace that we have anyway. And then last but not least, we have a little print and it says, "In my final girl era," with a knife and some drips and blood and stuff. Again, very, very cute, very on theme. Loved this box. So I will quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the To Slay Today little notepad, the In My Final Girl Era art print, the Final Girl enamel pin, the Serial Killer spoon, the Horror Movie Addict patch, the Horror Movies Are My Kind of Thing little fridge magnet, the Bloodbath Strawberry Bath Bomb powder, the little hand blood earrings, bloody little stickers, the blood lanyard, which I 100% want to put on my work thing, the acrylic necklace that says Killer, I'll try and hang that over there, and the Scream Queen heart-shaped bag and the little bag charm pom-pom that's got the knife on it as well. So all of these items in the May Coven box in my horror era. Absolutely loved this one, genuinely. I'm not just saying it. I think this has been one of the best boxes I've had in like a year plus. I think it's also because it's horror themed and I really miss getting horror boxes, but the bag is so cute. I'm probably going to use and keep all of this stuff. The only thing I don't absolutely love is the earrings, but that's just genuinely because I don't really ever wear earrings. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one anyway down below. They did send this to me, so thank you so much to them for sending it because I loved it. And they are sending me the next two as well, so I'm very, very excited about that. You'll have to let me know what your favourite item was down below in the comments, and I will put all of the information in the description for them in case you want to go and check them out. I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.